This is going to be a video review of the Idealife Submersible LED light system. It's waterproof, underwater. It has a suction cup mount, magnet mount. It can be mounted with a hook, I believe. It's got a remote control. The colors are red, magenta, white, green, blue, cyan, yellow. I think it flashes. The remote control can be used from about 80 to 100 feet away, maybe less depending on how far into the water it is. There are the suction cups. We have the remote control. It runs on 3 AA batteries that you have to provide yourself. There's the magnet over there. So we get a little protective cover. So I'm going to just turn this counterclockwise. I'm going to put this in the bathtub and test it out. You can also mount it on a wall. You can also put it in an aquarium or behind an aquarium. So let me get the 3 AA batteries. And then what you want to do is you want to put the batteries in. There's a little rubber seal over here. You want to make sure that the seal is in place. And then you want to put the cover on there and tighten it down so it compresses against the seal. I'm going to put the 3 batteries in. This unit is much better than the ones that are sold that have AAA batteries, because AAA batteries will never last as long as AA batteries. So this is great for kids. You can submerge this in the tub, or you can just have this on the wall for a nice light show. So I've got my 3 batteries in there. I'm going to tighten it down. Make sure that it is very tight so that you've got a nice watertight seal. On the back over here we have a magnet. We also have 2 little indentations so you can put the suction cups in there that it comes with. It will mount on an iron bathtub. You can put nails instead of the suction cups on to mount this on a wall. It has 2 seals in it, as I said, so you want to make sure that everything's tight. The remote uses a CR2025 battery that is included with it, so just remove this piece over here and we'll turn the lights on now. Let's go with red. Oh, that's awesome. Let me turn off my light over here so we can see what this looks like. This is beautiful. Red. Ooh, green. Blue. Oh yeah, look at that. And I'm going to put this in another room in the tub so that we can see what this looks like underwater. You have a W on here for the remote. That's white. Spark. I don't know what spark is. Woo! Spark is flashing. Auto. I think auto turns this thing off after so much time. Auto mode, 24 hours. Mixed. Different colors. Crossfade. I'm just pressing on the remote control to make these changes. And the final one is flash. This is really cool. Hey, if you like my videos, please do a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. If there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will do the review. So let's go put this in the tub now and check it out. See what it looks like underwater, because remember, this is the Idealife Submersible LED light that is waterproof. I've got the unit inside the bathtub now, submersed underwater. So I'm going to check out the remote. We turn it off. Remember, you can be 80 to 100 feet away. So I have pressed the red button, so you have a red light. This is going to make it really fun for kids that don't want to go in the bathtub. You can have a light. This is very safe. It's battery controlled, so there is no problem with electricity. You could put this in your aquarium. It will look awesome in the daytime or at night, having a nice color. So we'll go to the green. It just looks absolutely awesome. Let me back up the camera a little bit so we can see it better. We'll go to blue, so you have a nice blue light. This is so relaxing, even for an adult. Turn off the lights in the bathroom, put this in your bathtub, put some bubble bath in the water, relax. It's just a nice unit, nice colors. Go through the colors one more time while it is underwater. Oh, I like that one. That's my favorite one. I do like red, but this is really nice. This puts a lot of brightness in the room. Let's go with the other button, white. White is definitely a brighter light, but I like this one. Have the flash button. We have the crossfade. Looks like it flashes 4 times and then fades to another color. We have the spark button on the remote. Lots of sparky colors over there. And then we have the mixed button. This is a cool product, as I said, to make bathtub time fun for kids. You can put this in the shower. If you don't want to turn the lights on in the room, put this in the shower for yourself, and you'll have a relaxing light without having a bright lamp on the wall or the ceiling of the bathroom. Put this in the tub. Put this in the jacuzzi. Now, this would look awesome. Indoor or outdoor jacuzzi, turn the lights off outside. You've got the moonlight and you've got this inside the water flashing. The price is very reasonable. The batteries are going to last a long time. It looks really neat. And that's going to be my review of the Idealife Submersible LED light, made for bathtubs or underwater use.